Good morning. I am so sorry that I haven't been able to bring you this video yesterday. I had no idea that my husband had booked in a plumber and a technician at the time that I'd planned to do it. So here we are today. I'm Wick Nixon from Wicked Wellbeing, and I'm all about healthy eating made easy. And you may have seen my post a couple of nights ago about LSA. And I know that buying LSA is really convenient for, I would rather that you buy it made up than not have it at all. But I don't think people realise how easy it is to make from home. And if you've got a food processor, then it's just so super easy, and it stores in the fridge for a while. But I'll tell you a bit more about that. But Before I get into this, I wanted to tell you about an online 6-week program that I'm starting up on the 19th of February, and it's called the Wicked Healthy Tribe. And what it is it's a chance for you to prioritize yourself, because as mothers, as wives, as females, basically, we always put ourselves last at the bottom of the ladder. But the thing is, if we're out of energy and we're not performing, at our best, then nobody else around us gets the best of us, because we're tired and we're irritable. So what the 6-week group is about is putting yourself first. There's no hard and fast rules. I don't give a meal plan, but I do give recipe suggestions. And what I do is basically take you through how I prioritize healthy eating and exercise into my day. And some days it's only 15 minutes of exercise, because that's all I can fit in. But it's also the other difference of this group to other groups out there is the accountability and the support. And I ran one in October last year, and it was amazing. The camaraderie of the group, the women in the group, was just awesome. And you have up and down days, and the people are there for you. So everyone's got each other's back and want you to succeed. So if that's something that you're interested in, starting in just over 2 weeks, head to wickedwellbeing.com/WHT for Wicked Healthy Tribe, but I've shortened it. And you'll find out all the information there. 6 weeks online, so there's no meetups. You can be as interactive in the group, or just sit back and watch if that's, if Facebook isn't your type of thing. But I do run it through a Facebook group, because that's the easiest way, because there's a lot of engagement, and you get so much gold out of the engagement. So we'd love you to join us on that, the Wicked Healthy Tribe. So LSA, it's made up of ground linseeds, almonds, sunflower seeds, and then I add in some pumpkin seeds as well. So it's a great form of fiber and protein, but what it does is it stabilizes your blood sugar levels, so that you don't get those highs and lows and get really starving. So it curbs sugar cravings as well. And I have some of this made up in a jar in my in the fridge. Always keep it in the fridge, otherwise it goes rancid. And I sprinkle it onto my breakfast, just my muesli in the morning, or I put it into smoothies, I put it onto the kids' breakfasts. You can even put it into muffin mixtures or slices, and you don't even notice it. Or even someone commented the other day that she puts it into a crumb onto a fish, which I thought was a genius idea, and you wouldn't even notice. So you can get really creative on how you use it. It's a really good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which it's very hard other ways to get it, so that's coming from the linseed. Now, it is best to use ground linseed, because your body absorbs ground linseed better than it does seeds. You can grind your own at home if you've got a grinder, but if you put whole linseeds into a food processor, you'll find that it doesn't grind them up. So if you've got a really grunty food processor, then you can do it that way. Otherwise, I just buy them already ground. And you can find it from a health food store, bulk food savings, Binns, that type of thing. And then any left over of your linseed, keep it in the fridge. So the formula is 3, 2, 1, and then half, because I add in the pumpkin seeds. So it's 3 cups of ground linseed, 2, so it's the L is the linseed, S is the sunflower seeds, so it's 2 cups of sunflower seeds, and the A is 1 cup of almonds. and then half a cup of pumpkin seeds. I'm making half a batch today because I've already got some in the fridge. So, I mean, then seriously, it's no genius way to do it. So to repeat that, LSA 321. And if you want to make smaller batches to just ensure that it doesn't go rancid, then just do that and use, just make up as you need. So I grind up the nuts first, and you can have more of a chunky texture, or grind it up more for a finer texture, and then adding in the ground up LSA. So there you have it. That is homemade LSA. Store it in an airtight container in the fridge, and yeah, just get creative. Would love you to comment below on how you use it, if you make your own at home, or if this is something that is new to you. And yes, again, to recap, wickedwellbeing.com/WHT if you want to join us on the Wicked Healthy Tribe, or if you just want to find out all the information that's in the group. Have an awesome rest of your day, and I will look forward to seeing you again next week at 9:30. Kids are all back to school, so I'll be back into my routine. See you later.